Hi, we're gonna present to you Math in the Kitchen, our first partial project, made by Diego Alvarez and Alejandro Olvera. We are gonna cook fudge brownies. For this recipe, we used 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of water, and 513 grams of fudge brownie powder. The package of fudge brownie powder contained 25% of cocoa powder, 15% sugar, 35% enriched flour bleached, 15% corn syrup, and 10% cottonseed oil. This means that the fudge brownie powder was mostly made by enriched flour bleached, that had 35% of the 513 grams. We had 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of water that are equal to 1/3 cup of water, and also 513 grams of fudge brownie powder. With this, we made 9 servings, with 57 grams each, making each brownie containing 57 grams of the 513 grams in total. We made 9 servings of brownies for 9 workers at Prepatec. If we wanted to make enough servings for 18 workers, then the amount of ingredients would increase. Instead of being 2 eggs, we would have to need 4 eggs. Instead of 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, we would need 1 full cup of vegetable oil. 3 tablespoons of water would turn into 6 tablespoons of water, making a 2/3 of a cup. 513 grams of fudge brownie powder would turn into 1,126 grams of fudge brownie powder.
In this partial project, our coach asked us to cook something, for example brownies or cookies or muffins, and we decided to cook brownies. He asked us that when we finished this, we should give them to someone who needed them, for example a charity, or someone who needed them. And we decided to give them to the guards here at Prepatec Santa Catarina. Now you might ask yourself, why did we took this decision? Why them? Or why do we think they need it? The truth is that we chose them because in reality they really deserve it. Now that they're always there taking care of us and making sure that we feel safe. They are too worried about our well-being and that they are always trying to make us feel in safe hands. Most of all, we decided to take this decision for thankfulness. We also decided to give them, for them to enjoy a little bit of their day, since they have a really tough job. The best part of this partial project was their reaction. If you would see their smiles and the way they thanked us, you would be so happy. It was priceless.